never slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hello everyone, welcome to Motivibe. Today, I'm going to share the secrets of dressing to make men appear taller. I'll guide you through the correct cuts, color choices, and details that can help you achieve a taller and more elegant look step by step. I'm Stylist, and on this channel, I specialize in fashion and style. If you want to stay updated on the latest trends and improve your style, don't forget to subscribe. 1. Correct cuts. For men's clothing, the right cuts are crucial. To appear taller, pay attention to these tips. Jackets. Opt for slim fit or tailored jackets. Models that taper at the waist and have straight shoulders will make you appear taller. Single or double-breasted jackets are ideal for emphasizing your height. Trousers. Choose mid or high-rise trousers. Straight cut and slim fit trousers with narrow cuffs can make your legs look longer. 2. Color choice. Monochrome dressing. Monochromatic outfits can make you appear taller. Especially dark colors like black, navy, or dark gray will make you look slimmer and taller. Tone-on-tone transitions. Opt for soft transitions between upper and lower garments. This creates a longer and seamless look. 3. Accessories and details. Belts. Choose slim and matching color belts. Your belt color should match or complement your trousers to create a longer leg line. Shoes. Select flat or slightly heeled shoes. A heel height of 2 to 3 centimeters is sufficient to make you appear taller. 4. Fabric and pattern selection. Fabrics. Light and subtly shiny fabrics can make you appear taller. Patterns. Vertical stripes can elongate your body without cutting it off, giving a slimmer appearance. 5. Posture and movement. Posture. Stand tall with shoulders back. Correct posture makes you look taller and more confident. Movement. Move comfortably and naturally. Comfortable clothing allows for a confident posture. Achieving a taller appearance through clothing choices is simple with the right selections. Correct cuts, colors, details, and posture can help anyone feel taller and more elegant. Subscribe to my channel for more fashion and style tips. I look forward to your comments and suggestions. Until next time, Motivibe community.